Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. Today's gonna be a ton of fun. We're gonna do some booth work, some Christmas crafting, and get some work done around this tiny little home that I have jam-packed full of stuff. If you're new here, make sure you hit that little subscribe button and the bell next to it. I love to do DIYs, thrift flips, garage sale hauls, you name it. You can find all the paint and products I'm using along with the flips at upcycledbybri.com. I will link all of that down in the description box below. We need to go get to work. First up today is a Christmas craft that is going to also take care of some of this wood pile in my garage. I've got some old table legs here. I cut them off the table because the top was completely roached, but I figured I could repurpose them, and they remind me of little trees. So using this saw, I am cutting down pieces of some pine logs, cutting down the table legs, and little pieces of this spindle for the trunk. I'm using some Titebond wood glue and some Gorilla hot glue here in my glue gun to attach the spindles to the pine pieces, and then I attach the table legs on top of the spindles. I let everything dry for a good 5 hours before I came back to it. I'm using a fun product today. This is called chalk paste and the color Kingdom Moss. And my friend Jen from Rustic Rehabs sent this to me with some goodies because she is amazing. Check out this chalk paste. It is super thick and is going to add some amazing texture to these trees before I paint it with my DIY clay-based paint. I'm going to link Jen's channel down in the description box below, as well as the link to this product. Be sure to go check her out and subscribe because she is hilarious and y'all won't want to miss her videos. She's a ton of fun. For a list of some of the other products, like the Gorilla Glue and the Titebond wood glue, check out the link to my Amazon shop below. I have everything separated out into easy to shop categories for you guys. This is my very favorite white by the DIY paint line. This is White Swan. Again, this is a clay-based paint. It's highly pigmented, VOC free, which means I can paint inside, and look at the coverage I'm getting after just one coat. Amazing. You'll be able to find all of these products over on my site, upcycledbybri.com. After 2 coats of paint, I am taking a towel and doing a wet distress. Since DIY paint is water soluble until sealed, I can distress with a wet rag. Once everything is distressed, time for some wax. I'm going in along with the details of the spindle with white wax, and then I will seal the paint up with clear wax. Last step is a little bit of golden rule gold wax just on the tip where that little metal detail is at the bottom of that table leg. Kind of like a star, right? And here is a look at the final product. Y'all leave me a comment below. What do you think about my upcycled table leg to tree? Project 2, we've got some thrift flips. Now the tree was in my stash and this little birdhouse is already sold, but I wanted to show y'all how I updated it. I have got a big old bag of flocking here. This is a snow product that you use combined with water to flock your Christmas items. I did a ton of this last year and they sold like crazy, so I figured I would share it with y'all. Now, I'm not gonna lie, it's a flocking mess. So take your items outside. When I'm doing the trees, I always fluff up the branches first, and then I grabbed my continual mist sprayer bottle. I will list the flocking and the continual mist bottle in my Amazon links down in the description box below. No worries. You guys, this is super easy. You just sprinkle the flocking on. I put it in a little strainer as you spray the water. So sprinkle and spray simultaneously. I grabbed a box to put on top because it does make a big old mess. And then once you have it all sprinkled on, you just spray it back over all of it with another layer of water and let it all dry. And voila, that's it. Special touch, I replaced the plastic bottom with this piece of an old metal lamp base. I dry brushed that with a DIY apothecary, which I will show you next. I stuck a little bit of red eucalyptus and some baby's breath in for a cottagecore feel. What do y'all think of this flocked Christmas tree? Do you have any old trees laying around? Are you going to try this at home? Leave me a comment below. This birdhouse sold off of my last thrift haul, and I said I was going to update it into a Christmassy feel. I'm using DIY Apothecary to paint the base of the birdhouse after I took off all of the orangey fall decor. Now, my favorite brushes right now are these Klingon brushes, y'all. They are so easy to clean. After I use them, I pop them in a cup of water and the paint just falls off the next morning. Plus, they minimize your brush strokes and they are amazing quality. So these are available over in my brush collection on my site if you want to check one out for yourself. Same process here with the flocking, a little bit on the roof, around the ground, and on the pine stems. And again, just a very quick, simple update with such a beautiful outcome. This is a really great way if you're a reseller to update some old thrifted Christmas decor. Here's a look at the final product. Again, let me know what you think. Leave me a comment below. Last up today, I'm going to show y'all a little bit of footage of redoing my booth over at the Owl's Nest on Adams Street here in Topeka, Kansas. This was a peek before, getting kind of out of hand. Let's fix it up. First things first, stocking up the JRV decoupage paper, the DIY paint, the Sweet Pickins milk paint, and I added in some brushes to this location. So if you're local, be sure to go check that out. Well, y'all, I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, make sure you give it a big thumbs up and share it with a friend who you think may love it as well. That's gonna help my channel grow. We are so close to 11,000 subscribers and I cannot believe it. Until next time, I'll see y'all later. Bye, friends.